In the previous video, we learned about the place and value of numbers less than 1,000. In this video, we will read and write larger numbers. Digits are arranged into groups of 3 places: hundreds, tens, and ones, which we are already familiar with. This constitutes the ones group. The next group is the thousands group. It's made up of the thousands, 10,000, and 100,000s. The one after that is the millions group. It's made up of the millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. And the fourth one is the billions group. For the sake of brevity, I only wrote the first column, billions. Now, commas separate the groups, as we'll see in our next example. Example 1 is 56, 741. So notice that we have one comma, which separates the thousand from the hundreds. So let's place it in our diagram as a red comma, 3 places to the left. So we are going to place 56 to the left and 741 to the right. Now we're ready to read it. We're going to say 56,000. In other words, the comma is read as a word, 1,000, and 741. Let's move on to example 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 741. Notice that the last 5 digits are the same as in the previous example, but now we have 2 commas instead of 1. So let's place this second comma, which will be in the between the millions and the 100,000. So therefore the 3 is going to be to the left and the 4 is going to be to the right. Now we're ready to read it. 3 million. That first comma is read as million. 456,741. And finally, example 3. 2, 833, 456, 741. Now we have 3 commas. So we're going to place the 3, the 8, and the 2. The 2 is going to be in the billions, so next to the 2 we're going to place the very first comma. All right, now we're ready to read it. 2 billion 833 million 456,741. In our next video, we're going to learn about different ways of counting, which in turn will be a prelude to rounding numbers. See you next time.